Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 2nd March, Nifty ends around 22,378 and Bank Nifty around 47,297. As per our previous week discussion, we expected Nifty to reach 22,500 levels, and today's I was around 22,419. So the price moves in our direction. So this is the channel, and if you not yet watched the previous video, I suggest you to watch that because I explained every wave count and all these internal waves, long-term perspective, everything in the previous video. So if you watch that video, this video will be an update, or it will understand better, and I will pin it up the previous video link here, and also I give the link of that video in the description. Kindly watch that video also if you have time. Right. So before proceeding to the current week update, as usual, we will discuss what we have analyzed in previous week and what has happened during the week, and we'll go to the next week probable price action. So I move to hourly chart of Nifty. Okay. So on 28th February, near support, but if declines, need to see the levels 22,000 and 21,960. See, I think during this decline, wait. So yes, this sharp sell, okay, during at that time on 28, yes, you can see the date here on 28th February. I said if near support only, but if declines, we need to see the levels between 22,000 to 21,960, and the actual low was 21,860. We missed by 100 points, but the view has not changed. So we're expecting support. So the price got support around 100 point below our levels and started moving higher. And the interesting point is, see, below 21,860 need a recount. So the important level is 21,860. Until that, our view is right, and we can expect we can hold the previous view of getting support and moving higher. The particular level is 21,860, and if you see, the low is 21,862.15. But in index chart on that particular day, I see it as 21,860.65. Exactly, price got stopped at that level and started moving higher. So the view has not changed. And Bank Nifty near support, but if declines below 4,600, need to see the levels 45,800 to 45,750. And we got the support, but a little lower. The low point was 45,667, approximately 45,670, and so 80 points below our level, and the price moved to previous high. Okay, this is what we analyzed on 28th February, and also the next day, the price is holding that level. Okay, the 21,860 and 45,770, which we discussed. I mean, this level, our previous level. Okay, 21,860 and this 45,750. So both are at very important support zones. So this is a chart at that time. The price holding at level, and I can see a trend line here. So that will become an important support. I always use minimum 2 levels for support and resistance. I not go with one level. Okay, at least 2 setups. So here I got the fib number and also a trend line. And at the same time, in Bank Nifty, we can see a 61.8 support exactly. So if this is wave A, ABC, or 1, 2, 3. So in either case, the price needs to move higher for making a one more high. So that's the thought at that time. And today it is 47,350 plus. So it made a new high comparing this swing high. So this is what happened during the last week, because last week full of high volatility, the price moves highs and downs. Right. So what we may expect now, what we may expect in coming weeks. As I said before, the Nifty and Bank Nifty is not giving a clear signal. That's what I am saying. We need to wait and watch for further clues. The market will provide some clues. Until that, we need to wait. That's the important thing we need to do as per the waves. If you are not clear in the waves or we need to get some more clues, we need to wait. So this is what we're discussing. See, this is the current level. Okay. From this low, we are analyzing. I first mark it as wave 4 ended it because it's a 3-wave move. But even after that, it's all a 3-wave move as of now. If this is the 5th wave, there is only 2 options to complete the 5th wave. We should have a normal impulse because these are all impulse waves and each and every impulse wave will have 5 subwaves. So there's a possibility of getting new impulse like this, wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it needs to move higher. That's the one way. Or we need to get an ending diagonal to end the wave 3 like this. I think all these things we discussed in the previous video. Even before the price action moves here, we expected this is the possibility. That's why I am suggesting to watch that previous video. A week before itself, we have estimated or expected the probability of the 3-3 wave here. So this is one possibility now. And this may end the 5th wave. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a drop. Okay, but even a drop in a long term, this is wave 1, 2, 3 and we can expect only wave 4 correction here. So that may not be a big sell-off, and even it comes, it may settle at 21,000 levels. Okay, so this is one idea if it is a 5th wave. So both these ideas are based on the impulse waves, that is 5th wave. If it is a 5th wave, we should get an impulse wave or an ending diagonal. As of now, it's look like an ending diagonal, or it may turn to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also possible, but we need to see how this price behaves at this area. The breaking out and how it is crossing 21,500, 600, all are important clues. This is also possible. How? By connecting this. Okay, the 4th wave has ended here, a small consolidation, and 1, 2, 3 has been started. If this happens, anyway, we need to look wave by wave only because we are at the 5th wave, possibly a 5th wave. If this is an impulse wave structure, and if it is ending diagonal, the price mostly come below this trend line. Okay, these are the possibilities and we need to check in the coming week. What is the another possibility of a correction? That is the price still in the 4th wave. Okay, the 5th wave not yet even started. That is, it can be A, B and C. For that only I said 22,500 is most crucial because in an expanded flat, 1.382 will stop the B wave. Okay, I explained in previous video. This is A, B and C to follow to complete the 4th wave, minor 4th and 5th of 3rd wave proceed. This is the bearish case structure. For that, 22,500 is the crucial level. If even crosses that level and closes below that level on the same day, this become even valid. We need to check further clues, but 22,500 as an important clue for all these conditions. It can be turned to be an expanded flat. Okay, so for an impulse, 2 options, an ending diagonal. If ending diagonal, the price may move like this to reach 22,500 or somewhat will be moving like this in a sideways. Okay, there is possibility. The price may move sideways to complete the 5th because I can see clearly this is the 3rd wave character and this is the 5th wave character. There is no clear 3rd wave character as of now in the current price action. If the price breaks out this level and moves higher, we can take the impulse wave count of 1, 2, 3 because the character may be formed. The wave 3 character may be formed here. Until that, it can be treated as a wave 5 character only. So among 3 options, 1 is upside and 2 is sideways to correction. Got it? That's the meaning. That's the understanding now. For that, the price needs to break out this trend line even for further confirmation 22,500. We need to watch the 22,500 and trend line next week. This is as per the Nifty. Why we are not able to count the longer projections? Because Nifty in some pattern and Bank Nifty in some pattern. See, Nifty in making a higher high, but Bank Nifty in daily chart not making a higher high. We discussed using the intermarket divergence chart in previous video. So kindly watch that video for better understanding. So now the question is, this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 wave completed and second wave completed. What is the possibility here? This is the important trend line here. This should not be broken for more bearishness. See the chart. This is a long-term channel. Okay. This level should not be broken. You know, we are discussing this point for almost months now. Nifty is highly bullish. Okay, in a longer term, highly bullish now. But Bank Nifty should follow. Okay, so this can be wave 1, wave 2, and it can be 1, 2, 1, 2. Until it makes a clear wave 3, we cannot predict that. So until that, we can do only 1, 2, 1, 2. We can subdivide the waves because it's making a higher high, but falling inside the range. That is what the confusion. So at any cost, this is the most important level in Bank Nifty. This level is the most important level for Bank Nifty. If this level gives up, we need to give up the entire bullish structure in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are having a huge distance for it, so need not to worry now. So what is the possibility in Bank Nifty now? So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, the price needs to move higher. Okay, but Nifty at the end stages of, as of now, looking like an end stages in fifth wave. So many confusions here. So what may happen to align with Nifty is, even it can take a complex structure, but we should not expect a complex structure in beforehand. That is what my advice to everyone. We should not expect a complex structure, but even though I'm aligning with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so there is a gap and this trend line should be watched. This trend line comes around 47,750 zone and this gap zone is around 48,000, approximately 48,000. So we need to see the Bank Nifty may move within this range. It needs to break above this range for further confirmation. Why I use this method is this view only for aligning with the Nifty. So if Nifty is making an ending diagonal or a B wave in the expanded flat, so what will be the Bank Nifty situation? So that's the idea. In 3 possibilities, Nifty, one possibility is moving higher, that is starts its third wave in the third of fifth. So it will break out the trend line and crossing 22,500. We need to see. Okay, that level is important. So that's the one possibility for moving higher. Other 2 possibilities are an ending diagonal or a B wave in expanded flat. So both suggest a sideways to corrective pattern. So if this happens, so what is the possibility in Bank Nifty? That's the idea. So I am marking an X wave kind of structure, a triangle. Okay, suppose the price moves higher in Nifty, that means breaking above the 21,500, it can also turn to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and should move higher. Okay, so all these are to align with the Nifty. Since Nifty has 2 possibilities for sideways correction and 1 possibility for upside. So the levels in Bank Nifty to be watched is around 47,765 to 48,000. We need to see how it moves here, either sideways or turning from here or breaking out. So all these give clues. It is breaking out here and Nifty also breaking 22,500. Yes, some sort of impulse is in action and we can track the new highs in Bank Nifty. But Nifty making an ending diagonal or moving sideways or a B wave in a complex, we may see at the 22,500 levels. So we are near to that level. We may get decision in week or two. So then we can expect a sideways to consolidation and one more low. But my only doubt question is if it is a complex. Okay, if it is a complex, it should come lower here. Okay, it will break the channel. That is not a good for a wave 3 because this is a wave 3 character. I am expecting a 3 of 3 to start in Bank Nifty. So in 3 of 3, mostly it will not break the channel. So what is the possibility? That is what I am thinking. So what may happen is during all this consolidation, it may turn to be a leading diagonal and a pullback and start its third. Okay. This is the bullish option. Yes, this is the possibility. So while declining, the Nifty also can complete the fourth wave correction and it may start its bigger fifth in the third and it may start its 3 of 3 Bank Nifty. So these are the possibilities now. Because why I am taking this option is if it is a complex A, B, C or W, X, Y, whatever, usually this will end below this point. Okay, the complex corrections or new corrective patterns will come lower to this point, but that level eventually end up below this channel. That is not a good for a wave 3 character. So what may happen is this Bank Nifty also may consolidate in this range and come lower to this level 45,650 or even below that level somewhat, and it can move higher in 3 of 3. At the same time, Nifty also can complete the fourth wave decline in the sense here, this fourth wave. It may complete the ending diagonal and fourth wave. Since there are two possibilities for sideways to correction, I'm expecting this to happen. If breakouts, you can see we can assume that this is wave 1, wave 2, and we started 1, 2, 3 in the action. Since Bank Nifty and Nifty are not aligning each other, we are taking so much of alterations or thinking how it is possible. The only thing is how Nifty and Bank Nifty will resolve the difference. That is the idea. Because both indices should align. Somehow it should align. Either Bank Nifty will pull Nifty down or Nifty will pull Bank Nifty higher so that both will make a new high or both will consolidate and make a new high. That is why we are thinking all these options. Right, this is the update as per the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you see, this is small cap. Okay. This is wave 1, wave 2. And in wave 3, it is wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. And I believe the wave 4, yes, as per Nifty calculations, we need a consolidation and then we will move higher for completing the 3. Okay, there is a possibility of more highs in small cap, but the question is, are we compared this minor 3? Okay, this is larger trend, yes, we have some more scope upside after a correction or decline. But the point now is, have we reached the intermediate or temporary top or a completion of this third wave? Okay, this minor third, 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and 5 to complete 3. The question is, are we completed this 3? See this price action. This is seriously difficult to calculate the end of this point, but I will sometimes in these situations I will look like to work in reverse. So if this is fourth wave, I need a consolidation in minor fifth also. Okay, this is a sharp rise and a sharp fall. So either it can be A, B, and C to proceed. Okay, so I'm again aligning with Nifty. If Nifty consolidates and moving higher, it may take a shape of a minor 4 here. Okay, we need to watch this level. The breaking out of this level, that is the prior high of around 16,350, 16,400. If the price breaks out, we need to watch the next resistance around 17,000. Okay, but Nifty is not moving or it's an ending diagonal or a complex pattern in B wave, it may start moving sideways and decline. In that case, it can turn to be A, B, and C to complete the fourth wave, this fourth wave. Okay, this fourth and fifth may proceed in later part. All right, so for that we need to track this pattern. So we need to see this level. If break out above this level, we may see 17,000, or it may consolidate here and may give a breakout. So for that we need to see Nifty. That's why I'm talking, because since there is a three possibilities, we need to align with Nifty also. The broader markets, it can turn to be A, B, C, or it can be a sideways and one high. So let's see. And if you check the channel, I'm drawing the Elliott wave channel, not the normal channel, connecting the wave 2. See, the price exactly stopped at the, let's say, make it clear. By drawing the Elliott wave channel, the price exactly stopped at the channel top. Usually, okay, usually there is a possibility of one more high. By giving the character like this, once it touches a sideways consolidation and one more high. Got it? This kind of pattern may happen here. So that's why I mark it as a minor fourth. There's a possibility. So there's a possibility of one more high in small cap. But anyway, we need to watch out for levels. One possibility, because we are near the end of correction. So always in end of corrections, we need to think the probabilities and possibilities, right? So we need to watch this level. It can be in minor wave 4 and one more high to touch this level. That's why I said 17,000. Okay, these are the possibilities in small cap, and then same like small cap, mid cap also. This is ending pattern only. See the price action. It's not very clear. Making highs and coming lower, making highs and coming lower. This is a kind of no strength, no bullish strength. There is a lacking in ongoing strength. So it can be a wave 4 as like small cap. So some stop in the trend. It can even turn to be a decline also, and also at the same time it can have a pause, and one more high is possible as like small cap. If small cap moves higher, yes, this will also give a breakout to the upside. So just try the same pattern here also. So we mark this line and see what happens. This can be an, for example, A, B, C, D, E, and move higher. There's a possibility or A, B, C. So this is the level we need to watch how the price reacts here. And if we draw a channel in midcap 150, see, even though it is just the completion of wave 3 only, okay, we have a 4 and 5 to complete. Okay, this is my expectation. Even though if we go higher or come lower, this is just a pause in this bigger trend. Yeah, 1 month of consolidation or sideways and move higher. The bigger trend not yet changed. If we try the channel same like Elliott wave channel, wave 2 low, see the price also moving around this zone, and the wave 3 has the character of moving above the trend line, the channel top. That's the character of wave 3. Let's see. So these are the possibilities in broader markets also. It's a possibility of reaching one more high in mid cap also. So this is the update on market. Nifty as of now, it's look like a 333 wave. If it is a fifth wave that is completing fourth here or here, it can be 1, 2, 3, and we may start moving higher. The important level is it should cross the 22,500. Fine, right? Now, if it is ending diagonal, the price may move like this: A, B, C, D, and E. During this time, the small cap and mid cap may even move one more higher to touch the 17,000 level, the small cap. That also one possibility. So if it is a ending diagonal, if it is a complex, that is fourth wave is still in process, that is A, B, C, this price should reverse in 22,500. That is what I am saying, 22,500 is important level. So these are the possibilities in Nifty. So Bank Nifty, this entire pattern can turn to be a leading diagonal in the medium term, but for the current levels, we need to watch out for 48,000 levels, 47,900 to 47,950 to 48,000 can be A, B, C, D, E, maybe like this, a pullback and moving higher. Okay, so this entire pattern can turn to be a wave 1 and wave 2. In this wave 2, during this wave 2, Nifty may make a pullback in wave 4. Then both indices may align with each other. So during this phase, okay, during this phase or breakout, the small cap and mid cap, there is a possibility of breaking above this level and touching the 78,000 or what is the 16,800 levels. We need to watch the 16,800 to 17,000 if the level breaks out. But Nifty turns corrective phase, it is a complex pattern, then it can be a B and C. Same, it can turn to be a B, C, but if it moves one more high is possible in mid-cap 50 also. So this is the update for the coming weeks. So I explained not only the levels, I'm explaining how to you think while using the Elliott waves. So how to align and what is the possibility and what is the probabilities in the markets now. So that's the way to learn the Elliott waves. All these informations are only for learning purpose, not at all any recommendations. You should not treat anything mentioned here as buy or sell recommendations. Everything only for the purpose of making the Elliott wave more approachable and easy method. If you wish to learn the Elliott waves in more practical and simple in this approachable way, you can subscribe the channel. And if you like the video, you can share it with your fellow traders. Thank you for all your support. And one more thing, many people are asking for stock analysis also. Just bear with me for a month. So I will be post more videos and stock analysis, everything. So thank you. Thank you so much. Take care. Happy weekend. Bye.